Okay, I'm going to make a quick video on how to make a folder on your Google Drive. Right now I'm in Google Chrome. So you got to make sure that you use your NEISD school account when you do this. So you log into your Google Drive with NEISD. So I'm going to click on Google Drive right here. Once I click on that, it's going to take me to my drive. Once I get to my drive, this is where I'm going to make my new folder. So when I click right here, the very first option is folder. So that's the one I want to have highlighted. So I have that highlighted. And then I'm going to type in the name of my folder. In this case, I'm typing in algebra. If you're in geometry, you'll type in geometry. And then you're going to hit create. Okay, so that's my first folder. Now inside this folder, I'm going to double click on it, and then this will show me a blank because I haven't put nothing in it yet. So, but this is where I'm going to put all my unit folders. So I'm going to go up to the top left again. I'm going to click that plus, new. The very first option is folder. Select it. Typing in unit 1. Create. And there's my unit 1. And you'll just repeat these steps again when we start unit 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. And this is where you put all your files that you would transfer and turn into Google Classroom.